Good afternoon, everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share, and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss and continue the topic linear transformation in linear algebra. Now there are some problem. Now problem number first. Problem first. Let t such that r cube tending to r cube define as f x1 x2 x3 equal x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 minus x1 minus 2x1 2x2, then so that T be a linear transformation and find null space of T. Okay. Now answer is, let u equal x1, x2, x3 and b equal y1, y2, y3 are two elements in domain R cube R, such that we take alpha u plus beta v is equal to alpha x1, x2, x3 plus beta y1, y2, y3. Now taking transformation t both sides, this is equal to t alpha x1 plus beta y1 alpha x2 plus beta y2 alpha x3 plus beta y3. Now by transformation x1 minus x2, that is alpha x1 plus beta y1 minus x2 alpha x2 minus beta y2 plus 2x3, that is 2 alpha x3 plus 2 beta y3. Now second term 2x1, that is 2 alpha x1 plus 2 beta y1 minus x3, that is alpha x3 minus beta y3. Now second term, last term again, minus x1, that is minus alpha x1 minus beta y1 minus 2 alpha x2 minus 2 beta y2. Okay, student? Now this can be written as alpha. Now x1 minus x2 alpha x1 minus x2 plus 2 x3, this is the first term in alpha, this is second term 2 x1 plus x2 minus x3, now last term minus x1 minus 2x2, we separate the alpha coefficient terms. Now beta terms. Similarly, as it beta y1 minus y2 plus 2y3. This is the first term. Now second term is equal to 2y1 plus y2 minus y3. In last term, minus y1 minus 2y2. Okay. Now it can be written as alpha. This is equal to transformation x1, x2, x3 plus beta. This is the transformation of y1, y2, y3. This is equal to alpha tu beta tv. This is equal to t alpha u plus beta v. Implies hence t is a linear transformation. Now, first we proved that it is a linear transformation. Now we find the second part, null space of T. This is the kernel of T. Null space equal kernel. Now null space written by NT or kernel T always equal to U belongs to R cube such that Fu is equal to 0 dash. This is the identity of codomain. Okay, student. Therefore, f x1, x2, x3, this is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now here x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 comma 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 comma minus x1 minus 2x2, this equal to 0, 0, 0. Now by comparing x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 equal to 0, 2x1 plus x2 minus x3, this is equal to 0, minus x1 minus 2x2, this is equal to 0. There are three equations in x1, x2, x3. Now by solving matrix method can be written ax is equal to 0. Now matrix method. Now A is the coefficient matrix can be written as 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0. The coefficient of x1 1, x2 minus 1, x3 2. Similarly here, where ax, that is x1, x2, x3, or this is equal to 0. Okay. Now we convert into echelon form. Therefore R2 is equal to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 is equal to R3 plus R2, R1. Now x1, x2, x3 as it. Similarly right hand side as it. 1 minus 1, 2, 0. This is equal to 3. Or this is equal to minus 5, 0, minus 3, 2. Now here we add, that is R3 is equal to R3 plus R2. Now we get x1, x2, x3 as it. Now 0, 0, 0. This is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 3. Okay, student. Multiplied and comparing x1 minus x2 plus 2x3, this is equal to 0. 3x2 minus 5x3, this is equal to 0, or minus 3x3 is equal to 0, implies x3 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of x3 in this, then we get x2 is equal to 0. Now putting the value of x2, x3 in equation number first, we get x1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now kernel T is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now nullity, the dimension of kernel, nullity of T is equal to 0. Okay student, this is the complete solution. This is the complete solution. Problem 2. Let a mapping T such that R cube tending to R square defined by T A B C equal A comma B, then so that T is a linear transformation, and also find kernel of T. Okay. Similarly, we take element U, A1, A2, A3, and second element V2, V is equal to B1, B2, B3 belongs to R cube vector space such that alpha U plus beta V is equal to alpha A1, A2, A3 plus beta B1, B2, B3. Now taking T both side, this is equal to T alpha A1 plus beta B1 comma alpha A2 plus beta B2 comma alpha A3 plus beta B3. Okay, this is equal to alpha A1 plus beta B1 comma alpha A2 plus beta B2. This is equal to alpha A1 comma A2 plus beta B1 comma B2. This is equal to alpha T A1 A2 A3 plus beta T B1 B2 B3. This is equal to alpha Tu plus beta Tb. Okay, that is T is a linear transformation. Okay student, now to determine null space or kernel, Kt is equal to U such that Fu is equal to 0 dash. Now Fu A1, A2, A3 equal to 0, comma 0. Now A1, comma A2 is equal to 0, 0. By comparing, A1 is equal to 0, A2 is equal to 0. Therefore, kernel T, that is Kt, is equal to 0, comma 0, comma A3. The dimension of Kt is equal to 1. This is the nullity T. Okay. Now next problem, problem number 3. Find kernel of matrix matrix capital A this is equal to 5 by 3. This is the order. So first row 1 3 2, second row -1 2 0, third row 3 -1 comma 2, fourth row 0 5 2, last row 2 1 2. Also verify rank nullity theorem. Rank nullity theorem for matrix A. Okay, student. First, to determine null space T. Null space T, this is equal to KT equal to XYZ such that AXYZ is equal to 0. Now AXYZ equal to 0, that is A XYZ is equal to 0 0 0. Now putting the value of A, now XYZ as it equal to 0 0 0. Now A 1 3 2 -1 2 0 3 -1 2 0 5 2, and last row 2 1 2. Okay, student. For solution of this, we convert the matrix in echelon form. Now R2 is equal to R2 plus R1, R3 is equal to R3 minus 3R1. Now R5 is equal to R5 minus के 2R1. Now X, Y, Z as it 0 0 0 as it 1 3 2 0 3 2 5 2, 3 times of subtract this is equal to 0, 9 minus के 10 minus 4, okay, 0 5 2 as it. Now 2 times subtract by this 0, 6 1 minus 6, this is equal to minus के 5, this is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now here R3 is equal to R3 plus 2R2. Now R4 is equal to R4 minus R2, and R5 is equal to R5 plus R2. Then we get X, Y, Z as it. Now 0 0 as it. 1 3 2 0 5 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, student. Now here we multiplied both matrices and we get, by comparing, multiplied and comparing, x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 0, 5y plus 2z equal to 0. There are two equations. Now solving by Braj Gunan factor method. Now x, y, z, this is cancelled by this. 6 minus 10, this is equal to 0 minus 2, this is cancelled. 5 minus 0, now x upon minus 4, y upon minus 2, z upon 5, that is x upon 4, y upon 2, z upon minus 5. Okay. The null space T, that is NT, is equal to 4, 2, minus 5. The dimension of NT is equal to 1. We know that rank nullity theorem is equal to rank T plus nullity T is equal to dimension V. Okay. The rank of T, this is equal to 2 and nullity is equal to 1, and dimension of V is equal to 3. Okay, this is the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, that is theorem is proved. Okay student.